Say to yourself, am I talking and is this cop listening to me? That's a quick head check for I'm being investigated. I'm watching police videos again. This is someplace in Arizona, I think. This cop pulled this guy over, had him dead to rights on radar, breaking the speed limit. The cop could have written up the ticket, delivered it to the driver, and let the driver be on his way, end the stop, just like a traffic camera would do. A traffic camera catches you speeding, it just sends you the ticket. It shows up in the mail. No discussion. This cop chose not to just deliver the ticket and let these people be on their way. This cop decided to begin asking questions. It's a tactic. It extends the traffic stop. All of a sudden, it turned into, I smell marijuana, you're slurring your speech, your eyes look glassy, blah, 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 blah. 3 more cop cars and a K-9 unit. And of course, nothing was found. It was like 30 minutes of chaos over a speeding ticket. This guy would have been better off getting caught by a traffic camera. A traffic camera would catch him and ticket him. No questions asked. Why can't cops just deliver a ticket? No questions asked. That's the difference between cops and traffic cameras. Traffic cameras, they catch you and they just ticket you. That's it. They don't call you up. They don't question you. What do cops do? In some parts of the country, apparently, if a cop catches you, before he tickets you, he interrogates you, questions you, gets you out of your car, even puts you in handcuffs while detaining you over a speeding ticket. This is for the people I see in those videos who have to experience this kind of bullshit. When a cop is asking you questions, it's an investigation. As soon as the questions start, your mouth shuts. The more you talk, the longer that cop's going to stay there. Shut your mouth. Except for when you're lawfully required to identify yourself. You don't have to talk to cops. When a cop asks you questions, you don't have to answer the questions. You invoke your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. You always have that right. It's not only when you're arrested. With a cop like this, you want to stop the interaction because the longer it goes on, the better chance something bad's going to happen to you. The interaction is the cop is asking questions and you're answering. Just stop talking. That's no longer an interaction. It changes the dynamic in your favor. Invoke your Fifth Amendment right. I'd rather not discuss my private affairs. I'd rather not answer questions. I'm not answering questions. I'm not answering questions until I have an attorney present. I'm invoking my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. I'm remaining silent. Tell a cop you just want to get your ticket and be on your way. I wonder how that would go over. Tell me in the comments. Don't answer any questions. Why would you answer questions? I don't want to have a discussion. I don't want to talk. Just give me the ticket.